Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again with a 2-box break, 2010 Panini Gridiron gear, and then we got 2010 certified. Good luck. Bunch of packs, bunch of inserts, numbered. I'll keep the checklist. Hopefully we don't need to use it. And here we go. Pack number 1. Again, good luck to everyone in blog and those watching on YouTube. We got a base rookie of Jared Odrick for the Dolphins, not numbered. So hoping for some nice stuff. Second to last time I will be on this summer. And first hit. It'll be a patch. It'll be a 2-color patch, white and looks like navy, dark navy, numbered out of 50 for the Broncos of Eric Decker. At first I saw the Broncos logo. I thought I hit a Tebow, but Eric Decker, a.k.a. the penis autograph. Patch card numbered out of 50. And a rookie of Steven Williams for the Cardinals. No penis auto on that one. But first hit goes to E.T. Coasty. So there you go, Matt. Fred Taylor at a 250 for the Patriots. And Ed Dickinson for the Ravens. I won't show the non-numbered rookies. They are like pretty much one per pack, so I won't show you guys on blog that. I'll show you the numbered stuff. Rookie of Riley Cooper for the Eagles. And we got an NFL Nation for the Chargers of Antonio Gates, not numbered. And a Devin McCourtney for the Patriots, not numbered rookie. So, 3 more hits to go in this box. Brandon Spikes, X. That one's at a 250 for the Patriots. And a Mickey Schuler for the Dolphins, not numbered. Next hit, it'll be a football jersey, part of the league logo on the football. This one's numbered 8 out of 25 for the Jets. Joe McKnight, part of the league logo. Joe McKnight out of 25 for the New York Jets. And a rookie in that pack is Aaron Hernandez. Lots of rookies for the Patriots. Base rookie of Brian Price for the Buccaneers. And autograph will be a rookie. Gold X. This one's numbered out of 99 for the Eagles of Jokai Bell. For the Eagles auto. We have a Brent Selleck for the Eagles insert. And a rookie of Kyle Wilson for the Jets. Jets winning 27-7 right now. Randy Moss at a 250 for the Vikings. And a rookie of Darrell Washington for the Cardinals. Yeah, hopefully this box could pick it up a little. Nothing that great yet, but still got 1 more hit to go, maybe 2. Sean Green. This one's at a 250 for the Jets, NFL Nations. Rookie Marlon Moore for the Dolphins. And next hit. This one will go to the Panthers. This one is numbered out of 188. 30 out of 188. It'll be a pullout autograph of Brandon LaFell. Brandon LaFell, jersey auto, numbered 30 out of 188. Deji Kareem for the Jags. Mark Sanchez for the Jets at a 250X. And a rookie, not numbered. So we did get all 4 hits. Maybe we get an extra. Reggie Wayne for the Colts at a 250. And a Derek Morgan rookie for the Titans. How many packs we got? 3 packs remaining. In 2010 Gridiron. Base rookie of Mike Kafka, 100 for the Eagles. And a rookie of Mike Palmer for the Falcons. Darrell Washington out of 250 for the Cardinals, and a Ricky Sapp rookie for the Eagles. Ricky Sapp rookie. Say that 5 times fast. Brian Hartline out of 100 for the Dolphins, and a rookie of Bell for the Eagles. So that is the box of Gridiron. I've seen better boxes. I'm just going to say that. But we got certified. And I got a PM. Hold on. Before I start up with that box. J Chirp, 49ers. Box 2. Let me organize these inserts real quick. We're going all over the place right now. There we go. Alright, finally, box number 2. 2010 certified. Be good to us. Come on. I'm going to mix up the packs because it seems like there's a hit always in the first pack. So I'm going to move pack 1, pack 3, and pack 4. I'm going to say those have the hits in them. Let's see if I'm right. Last 3 packs. Let's see how I would do with pack searching. Pack 1, here we go. And first hit. It'll go to, oh, nice patch. It'll go to the Rams. Henry Ellard. This one is numbered out of 50. 35 out of 50. 2-color patch. It's the paint-on patch. Henry Ellard. And there's the patch, yellow and blue. For the Rams. Nice looking card. New generation of Deji Kareem. $9.99 for the Jags. And autograph we have for the Colts, which is number 249 out of 250 of Jerry Hughes, Mirror Red autograph. And there's the auto. Jerry Hughes for the Colts. And I think almost every one of these boxes I've done, we hit 5 hits. We got 5 hits. Supposed to get 4, but a lot of these have 5. Hopefully I didn't jinx it. For the Vikings, Adrian Peterson out of $9.99, gold team. New generation of Joe Hayden for the Browns out of $9.99. And all base. How many packs? Let's see if I was right. We got 4 packs left. Looking for 2 more hits. This will be 1 hit. It's going to be numbered out of 599. Dual jersey autograph for the Bengals. We have a Jordan Shipley. Dual jersey autograph for the Bengals. Three packs left. These are the ones I put to the back. Trying to be a pack searcher. Nothing in here. Eric Berry for the Chiefs. Certified potential. And this will be a hit. It's going to be numbered out of 200 for the Raiders. It's going to be a jersey card of Jim Plunkett. Jim Plunkett for the Raiders. How many hits was that so far? We got 1 pack remaining. We hit 4 hits already. Let's see if we got an extra. And we didn't. It's going to be a mirror red at a 250 for the Broncos of Kyle Orton. So that's the 2-box break of Gridiron and Certified. 4 boxes to go still. GSN Cards is out.